You're probably using these tissues. Well, these tissues, they suck. They're garbage. They should go burn. They can burn. They're trash. You can shoot them for all I care. So that's why we created an all new, better, way better tissue. It's made the sneeze tissue. You use it when you sneeze. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful fine print. And the side effects of this may include choking, I guess. And it is made with pure lead, toxic poisons, and other gnarly things. Now come down today to get your brand new sneeze thingy. Now, I'm a sneeze. Stop the commercial.